Hey everyone, Bridget Castelluccio, and I'm here to give you your digital learning team tip. Have you ever pressed send on an email and then all of a sudden realized you forgot to add something, missed something, or maybe you wanted to reply just to one person and you hit reply all? Well, Gmail has the ability to undo that send, get it back, and make a fix. When you go into Gmail, you're going to select your gear icon to go to see all settings. Now, don't get overwhelmed. There's lots of things. We're just going to scroll down and go to the undo send. So I have the option of 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds of a cancellation period. So if whatever I choose, so say like 20 seconds, I need to make sure that I scroll down and do the save changes so that it will remember it the next time I send an email. When I send an email, as soon as I have it sent, it will say message sent, but I will have that option of being able to undo and make my changes. Want to know more? Contact your Grant Wood AA digital learning consultant or check out the video notes.